Hey, good morning, tubers. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the You Dizzy Show. This a little bit of the clip in this video is for yaheuben66. This is what I got on my go-kart with the live axle. Okay, I got the Harbor Freight, same motor as you, 212cc on the back with the same jack shaft. Sorry. The torque converter. Mine's a, I don't know if you can see it, but mine's a Comet. You probably can't see it, but it's a Comet. And it goes onto the live axle. And with the brake and the brake caliper for both wheels. And I got some big ones on there. So check that out. So that's for yaheuben66. That's the setup, the clutch on the same motor on the go-kart. Mine has a roll cage too. If you remember, if you go back in my videos, you'll see, you know, this one's got the roll cage too. You know, it's got the good front end and whatnot. I got some headlights for it with directionals. I'm gonna have to hook those up. So freaking right. So there you go, yaheuben66. That's it. What it looks like all together in action. You know? Beautiful. So now let's go check on the maid. Yeah, you see that? Oh, you're not done yet?
No, I gotta bring it up there.
Oh, alright.
Can you help me?
Oh, help you?
Please.
Oh, alright. I guess. Doing a great job.
Thanks.
Let's check back in on the maid. What you doing?
Pulling weeds.
Oh, I see. Well, that's good. I got those set up out there. I'm going to get the Corvette body and take that out there and sand it down. Again, I'm going to sand that whole body down again, and you know, eventually it'll get another coat of the paint, because I just don't like the way that looks. Alright. Lunchtime. I'll show you what the maid did. Let's see outside here. I don't know if you can see it, but she cut the grass here, and she cut the grass over there. What a good job she did. Freaking right. And then she came up here, and she did what? She made you dizzy lunch. Oh yeah. She made shepherd's pie. Oh my goodness. And my Pepsi. And my Pepsi Cola. Tony, what are you doing? Kitty points for lunch. Tony, hi. Hi, you lazy fatso. Look at, there's the other one. What are you doing, Tally? Hi. Alright, lunchtime. a little more. Oh, beg my pardon. Alright, so what I'm doing now in here is, you see what I did here? I got this cut out right here in the middle here, and this marked. I just kind of marked it, and I got a hole here. And what I got going on is, you see this? This is a switch, and I cut it so, look, it locks right in there like that. Nice. And then there's the underneath, where it'll connect. So what that's gonna go on is the John Deere here. Right here is the three wires, 1, 2, and 3 for that, and I'm gonna mount that to this frame right here. I'm just gonna put some self tappers in there, 2 of them. And so I'll have a place to mount that, because it was just electrical taped on there all this time. So I don't like that kind. Freaking right. Well, folks, always remember your safety goggles. Very important. Very, very important. If you know what I'm saying. Oh, beg my pardon. So what I got going on here is I managed to cut that piece of metal out of here. And it had the bend on it already, and that's solid stainless steel, a nice piece, thick and sturdy. So what I did was I cut this piece out of there, and I made a little hole in it. Not a perfect one, but look at how nice it came out for a blind dude. I rounded the corners a little bit, and so what I'm going to do with that is I disassembled this piece here. Came right off of this. I actually popped it right out, and it had these little tabs on it. If you look at it, you see the little tabs. So what I did was I made this hole fit, so this one will go right inside here like this. See if I can do this at one hand like all you guys do. Alright, see, it goes in there. If you look at the clips, gonna push it in. There you go, see? Look at that. It popped in, the clips hold it, which is very, very nice. And it's flush as can be. Now that's the lights for the bike. Now I'm gonna mount that on like that. But for, you know, I'm gonna mount it and then probably take it off and paint it some color, probably yellow or something, and that'll be cool. So that's a project going on here. Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have going on here. See it? She's mounted right there, you know, and you click her on and the lights go on. It's even got the ground effects lights. I don't know if you can see it, but it's green underneath there. Badass. And all the headlights work and whatnot. So then you just shut the button, and that's that. So that's another day. Oh look, there's a fire bike. It's another day in the Dizzy shop. Just messing around. Actually today was really weird down here. Felt you know, difference coming back down to the shop and messing around. I felt my son a couple times with me, I swear to God, but that's a good thing. So comment, like, subscribe, check out the links below, and always You dizzy swag. You know what I'm saying? That shit's hardcore. Freaking right. Peace.